Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to create study lists on the Anton application, but first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then you should tap on your profile icon, then tap on the study list option, which is the last icon down below. Here you can create a new study list or scan a new list by using your phone. So if you want to write a new list, just simply tap on the first button in the middle of the screen. Here you can choose a study list category, tap on the relevant one, and now you are ready to add new entry. For example, I am going to type in this simple French word and the English equivalent to that one. If I want to add a new one, just simply tap on the new entry button and type in another one. If you are done with this process and you have created your study list, just press the button continue. You can name your new study list. And if you are done with it, just simply tap the button Create List in the middle of the screen. So now you have created a new study list in this study lists section. So if you want to add anything to it, just simply tap on the button Edit in the upper right corner of the screen. You can press the button Edit and add entries, so you are able to add new words into your study lists. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.